Hello local guides. In this video I'm gonna show you how to submit a Unity Walk meetup local guides meetup page. So this could be a long video, so sit tight. Okay, let's get started. Um, okay, so the first thing is that we need to download a pxd file to download our meetup logo. So let's get started with this. It is an editable image, and we'll be editing it using an online web website. Yes, here it is. So let's open it. And the first thing we need to change in this file is our city name. So okay, my internet is a bit slow. Let's wait. This is my previous logo. Okay, let's delete it from here and open an image. Downloads. I can find it. Since I missed it. This is the name, Mat3. Yes. There you go. So let me change my city name from here. Since I'm at my hometown, so I'm gonna put it on Muzaffarnagar. Yes. So that's quite long. Let's see if we can move it here. Yes. So done. And everything's all right now. So let's save this image file. I'm gonna take a PNG for better quality. And I'm gonna choose. Okay, let's keep it. And you can see here's my meetup logo. This is the ready. Let's go back and see the instructions if there are or not. So everything is here. Content for the meetup is here. So let's open the home page of local guides meetup page. What's that? Maps.google. Yes, there you go. This is the link. If you're quite new in hosting meetups, then you can click on this button and see how to host a meetup. So let's go to this one. Let's see how we can submit a meetup. And yes, the first thing is that we need to add our logo here. So let's add it. That's my logo. It's taking really yes, here it is. Yes, okay, so my logo is now added, and there are quite things I'm missing, but after submitting everything will be alright. So name our meetup, a unity walk. And it is a map editing meetup. Choose map editing, and the description of your meetup can be found in this post.